Hey, hi friends, welcome to our channel. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like and share this video. Thank you.
So, friends, we are watching the small kitchen designs for our house because small kitchen spaces can be both a blessing and a curse. Even the most skilled interior design often the struggle with the challenges they present, particularly when attempting to integrate the appliance and create storage. However, with some proper planning and effective use of centimeters, small kitchens can be even more fun to cook in than the large ones. So there are a few great tips and tricks to ensure your small space is used to maximum effect. So go integrated where it is possible. Built-in appliances are right at home in the small kitchen for two important reasons. Firstly, integrated appliance blend seamlessly with the kitchen cabinet and worktops, create a larger space. Never underestimate the power of appearance. Secondly, integrated appliances provide the same power and the internal capacity as their freestanding the counterparts, but without taking up the same amount of the physical space. There are a number of appliances specially designed for the purpose, for the small kitchen purpose. So there are the different types of shapes in a small kitchens. There is first one, it is a U shape. The key trait of a U-shaped kitchen is that it's a well organized to ensure that everything you need is to close at hand with efficiency and the practical at the heart of this layout. It's obviously Why so many kitchen owners embrace the power of the U-shaped kitchen layout? The U-shaped kitchen layout fits a considerable amount gear in a tight space, using the three walls of a cabinetry and a workspace. Since this kitchen layout is almost always hugged by the three walls, you are able to place your appliances exactly where you want them. Connection for utilities like power, gas, and water can be run through the walls behind the cabinets. In an open kitchen, in your layout, if your layout won't allow you the U shape or the L shape, go for with open. Considering going open plan and a single wall, not only this is a very modern interpretation of a kitchen floor plan, it's also an effective way of opening up a small space. The single wall kitchen layout is a minimal, functional and modern in the equal measure, without walls to separate the kitchen area from the dining area and the living area. Natural light can spill into the entire space. To maximize your storage space, ensure your cabinets are built up right up. So select the right colors for your kitchens. You have Go Light years of kitchen design wisdom. I taught us that in a small space we have to go stark white and the option for the cooler colors. Modern interior and kitchen designs have found that they can be achieved the same sense of openness by going for the warm colors from neutrals to natural, brighter options. They not only work wonders in the small kitchen spaces but add an airy touch to open plan in the living space.